everybody needs a cowpat in their life. I really want to wear my dressing gown because I'm really cold. Hey junkies, how are you? How are you all doing? And I'm so glad to be back filming for you again. And this is a really weird intro, but if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to moi so you never miss a video. It is a fab family over here and we are the junkies. So hi, hello. I'm MakeupJunkieG and it would be amazing if you could stick around and subscribe to the channel because you're gonna have a lot of fun around here. Am I right? Am I right? Today's video is going to be a top 5, a little bit probably more, favourite drugstore products. Now I've never done a dedicated video to drugstore products and as you know I am a very, well, my name says it all, I'm a makeup junkie and there is nothing wrong with finding a good bargain at the drugstore. So today I'm going to be showing you my top current favourites at the drugstore because I feel like my favourites change all the time. So this is like my current, what I'm loving at the moment. So if you want to see my top picks, then just carry on watching. So I'm going to start off really boring, but I've been loving these at the moment and it's been one of my favourite products this month. Well, yeah, I'd probably say this month. And it's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealers. Oh my days. So Maybelline brought out a lighter shade for your pale ass gals, which is clearly me. This is still not light enough, like it's light enough for my skin, but it's like not enough to brighten. But the lightest one that they had previous was way too dark and I really wanted to try it, and then when they came out with a lighter shade I was all over this bad boy and I was like, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna try it, and it's one of my favourite concealers. Now I normally use high-end, but at the moment this has been my ride or die at the moment. I love it and it was on like buy one get one half price, I think. Again, you gotta love a good bargain. So I did get 2, but I got a darker shade. So my original shade, the lightest one, is 05. Then, because it was on buy one get one free, I actually, because it was on buy one get one half price, I did get the shade 35. Now this is only like 3 or 4 shades darker. And I got this so I could do cream, bronzer and contouring. And oh my god, I am loving that at the moment. My skin is so much better with cream products. My skin is very drying, like it's a very dry place. It is pretty much, my skin is pretty much the Sahara Desert. So using cream products is perfect for me. And when I found that these two like worked really well with my skin, I can't stop using these products. These are amazing. They blend out like an absolute dream, and using this over the top of foundation just really works well and it gives it such a lovely natural finish. And I think I'm gonna need to get a new one because mine's running out. But yeah, when these were hyped up about, I really know why, because these are amazing. Ooh, let's find what else is in this basket. I don't know what is in the basket. Wait, have I got 5 products? 1. Next up is a favourite that you probably would have guessed, and you won't be surprised by this because your girl uses them quite a lot. And this is the Soap and Glory Thick and Fast Volumizing High Definition Collagen Coat Mascara. The packaging is gold. It is like an absolute gorgeous weapon that I'm going to slice people with. The haters, they're going to get sliced in half with this. This mascara though, why is no one talking about this? This is like a little hidden gem. Now I love Soap and Glory products. I've loved them for quite a long time now, but the makeup, girl, it is amazing. And this mascara gives so much definition. Now I wore this in a vlog without no lashes. I didn't wear any lashes, I just wore this on its own and I just love the effect. It gives my bottom lashes pure oomph. My top lashes, it doesn't clump. It is amazing, and I don't get why no one is on about this because it is such a good mascara. Soap & Glory get their eye products at a T. Now, I've not got it with me at the moment, but this is also going to be mentioned in my favourites, and it's their Kohl eyeliner. It's amazing. If you don't own any Soap & Glory products, I really recommend their eyeliners and mascaras because they are actually bomb. I'm going to snort this. Next up is something that I don't know if people are going to say that's drugstore, but I do class this as drugstore because it is a reasonable. It's at a really reasonable price, but for the amount you get, I class this as drugstore because it's not like a high-end £22 product. This is only £11, and oh my god, look how much product you get. Look how much. I have had this for a few months now, and look how much. You get so much. One, this is fab if you're a makeup artist and you are a freelance makeup artist. You can use this on so many clients and this would last you a good few months. But I love this so much. So this is the RCMA, the original no colour powder. My normal powder that I used to use used to be the MAC MSF. Now, I using that and it was just drying my skin out. It was looking cakey, it wasn't setting my foundation. So I eventually gave in and started using this, and I don't know why I didn't try this sooner. This makes my skin look so smooth. It's very lightweight, thin powder, which I love. I think it's really important that you want to matte your skin but not make it look cakey, and this does pretty much everything you want. It makes my makeup last all day and it doesn't dry out my skin. Now that's the thing, a lot of powders dry out my skin. This doesn't, and it's translucent, so it's not going to affect your foundation colour, it's not going to make you look orange, and it's fab for baking and setting my eyelids. I got this off Beauty Bay. Beauty Bay is my favourite online shop ever. I discovered Beauty Bay way before it was a hype, and yeah, this is where you can get all of these gems from. Beauty Bay is your place to find things like this because your girl won't leave home without this. It is a new favourite, and I know it's not sold at Boots, but Beauty Bay still sells drugstore products. Check it out now. Check it out. You won't regret it. My next favourite is going to be a skincare product because it's genuinely what I've been loving at the moment, and I know that it's another thing from the same brand, but I've got to mention it because it's helped my skin so much. And this, I've kept it in the box. Yeah, this is an amazing product from the glorious Soap & Glory. Do you get what I did there? And this is the No Clogs Allowed Super Self-Heating Deep Pore Detox Mask. Wow. This is a gem of a product. Now, like I was mentioning a little bit earlier on this video, my skin hasn't been the best. First of all, it is the most comfortable mask ever. Second, it heats up very slightly. It feels like someone is giving you a hot cloth massage on your face. It is so lovely. And when you put it on your face, it's I want to say a really, really soft, I want to say silicone consistency. It's not got any silicone in it, but you know that really soft velvet touch in the most weirdest way. It feels like that, but on your skin. It's so nice, and it really mattifies my skin once I've used it, which I love. My skin feels like a baby's bottom. My skin has never felt better after this product, and you only need a little bit. You spread it across your T-zone. You could do your whole face with it, but I use it on my T-zone, and it's helped my skin so much. I'm so grateful of this product, and I just love this product so much. And I'm actually going to do a skincare video, and this will be featured because this feels like I'm at a spa when really I'm at home enjoying this beautiful product because, oh my god. And my next thing is something that everybody asks. Everybody wants to know the lashes that I wear because I know they are so damn good. Susan Jackson, SOSU, oh my god. I can't get enough of this brand. I swear to god, I actually don't know what brand I'm going to use once and run out with these because this is one of my favourite lash brands ever. These are the best ones that I've used, and these are sold at Primark, exclusively for Primark, so it is a bit of a pain because you can't really get them unless you're like on the website, but it is an international brand, so it's not as easy to get hold of. But if you do go in your local Primark, you should be able to find these because these are gorgeous, and the ones I wear non-stop are in the style Paris, and they are just gorgeous. These are completely cruelty-free. These are synthetic. I love these. They are so soft and fluttery and just gorgeous, and I love wearing these with no eyeshadow. They make all my eye looks look so complete, and I have never ever got so many questions about my lashes, whether that's on YouTube or when I'm out in public. They're these, Susan Jackson. I seriously recommend checking these out because they're only £5 and they are just the best quality lashes for the price I will find. Go get yourself some because these are gorgeous. So that is it for today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed and maybe took something from this video. Maybe you want to go drugstore shopping. Maybe you want to go Boots and break your bank because that's what I do. Anyway, I am going to go now and love you and leave you, but I really hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Junkie family and click the bell button, as that will just notify you every time I upload, and you will know when I've uploaded because you will get a notification from the notification bell. Yes! But I will see you all next week for a brand new video. Bye! Mwah. Mwah. Oh, I need to do a thumbnail. Whip, whip, run me like a racehorse, run me like a ripcord, break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip, slip, run on your lip, lip, let me take a rip, rip. Like, my hair is pretty much part-time pineapple. When you wanna add that height, you add that bun, aka cow pat.